Hi, I'm Janice. I am the coordinator of the Rob Garden, and we'd like to welcome you into our winter space. We're growing, at the moment, broccoli, cauliflower, kohlrabi, radishes, daikon, cilantro, lettuce, onions, garlic, and a whole variety of other things. Myself and Jessica Bilecki, who is the Director of Sustainability here at UOP, and a guest instructor, Nellie, who is a graduate of UOP, will be teaching a course in February and the first week in March, starting on February 8th. It's a Wednesday, and going each Wednesday through the first week of March. And we're going to be talking about and teaching growing your own food, growing your own vegetables. And what does it look like? How do you even begin? How do you begin to think about putting herbs and vegetables in your own garden space to help feed you and your families a little bit more healthily? And what does it look like to compost and build soil? And so we'll start in the classroom and we'll do some theoretical stuff. We'll talk about some terms. We'll have a visual presentation, and then I'll get you in the garden and doing some hands-on work. So we'll learn to plant seeds, and we'll learn more about composting hands-on. We've got mostly vermicomposting, and so we'll have a few different demonstrations, and that's really exciting because that's something easy to do in your home. And then we'll do some transplanting and learn about how and when to do some transplanting. We'll talk about the calendar in Stockton and when and how to plant your own vegetables. And we'll also talk about why would we want to do this? How do we become more responsible consumers and contribute to reversing climate change, or to contribute to some of the solutions for climate change, and how simple that can be in a garden. So we'd like to welcome you, and we look forward to meeting you. Thank you.